Why does Netflix keep crashing? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss why does Netflix actually keep crashing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to figure out if Netflix keeps crashing, it could be due to a couple of reasons. First of all, just make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. After you've done that, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and then long press the Netflix app icon over here. Once you long press the Netflix app icon, tap the I button to come to the app information page, and then I want you to simply go to storage and clear the cache files, and if possible also clear the data. This will delete any of the downloads as well as your login sessions. After you've done that, come back to your Play Store, check if the Netflix app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, also make sure to restart your phone. This way you should be able to fix if Netflix keeps crashing. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.